video, we're gonna quickly take a look at the list building template of Thrive Quiz Builder. When you choose a list building template, Thrive Quiz Builder will create a quiz structure that will be optimized for you to build a mailing list. So this means that you can choose this template if you're looking for a way to build an audience when setting up your quiz. So if that's what you are looking for, then you should try using the list building template. Now let's quickly go through the process of creating one. So here I am in the Thrive Quiz Builder dashboard. To add a new quiz, I'm going to, of course, click on Add New Quiz here. And then, as you can see here, you will have 4 different template options. So you can always use the build from scratch option if you wanna build it yourself, but you also have these templates that are optimized to obtain different results. So basically this one is the list building template that we're gonna talk about, and then you also have the other 2. So we're gonna choose the second one here. And as you can see here, this quiz is going to be optimized for building an email list. Then I'm going to hit continue and of course name my quiz. Clicking on continue will take me to the quiz page. And first of all, we're gonna have to choose the type, and I'm gonna simply go for the number quiz type, click on continue, save, and then choose a quiz style. Let's go for this one. And as I do that, you will see that the quiz structure will appear here. Now, usually if you start from scratch, you will have to create your own quiz structure by adding a splash page, an opt-in gate, and so on. But as you can see in the case of the list building template, these will both be added here. So this quiz template will provide you this structure, which starts with a splash page, and this is basically an advertisement for your quiz. And you can find out more about the splash page by clicking on this play icon here, which is a video tutorial. Then you'll have your questions. So the users or visitors will be taken through the questions, and before getting their results, they will have to go through this opt-in gate. Now this is basically the step that will build your list. So once someone takes the quiz, they will have to enter their details here in this opt-in gate step before getting their results. Now, for more information about the opt-in gate, you can also check out the video tutorial that plays when you click on this icon. But basically all you need to know is that this one is going to be a form that users will have to fill in order to get to their results. Of course, this can be skipped, so you can make the opt-in gate or filling in the form optional if you wish. So when you're using a list building template, what you need to know is that the quiz structure provided by this template is going to be one that is optimized and designed in a way that will help you build your mailing list. So this template will take advantage of commitment bias and capture the curiosity of the visitor, because after they have answered the questions, of course, they will want to get the results, but you can take advantage of this opt-in gate and ask them to fill in their details in order for them to get the results. This will of course increase your sign-up conversion rates and will help you build the audience that you want. Of course, the splash page, the questions, the opt-in gate, and the results page can be customized in details, so please check out our tutorials from the Thrive knowledge base in order to see how to customize each of these items.